Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of no sound on YouTube in Windows 11, then please watch this video. So for the sake of this example, we will try and open a YouTube video. Okay, so I'll go to GeekJam and hit enter. We'll go to the GeekJam
Hey
channel.
friends, if you wish to speak.
So first of all, check if it's muted here. Another thing is that the tab can also be muted. So right click on the tab and unmute the tab. Go to the system tray here, click on the volume manager, scroll down and make sure that the browser volume is also set at the right volume. Okay, so I'm assuming that the issue is with YouTube only, and if the issue is with the YouTube only, these are the only three solutions. Check the volume of the tab, check the volume of the video, and check the volume of the system. That's it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.